So you're enjoying the great outdoors, you've got your SABRE bear spray, and you encounter a bear. Now what do? Today I'm going to show you how to properly use your SABRE bear spray. Spring is finally here, and that means camping season is around the corner. That also means that bears are emerging from hibernation. Remember that when you're in the wilderness, you're in the bear's home. So please be respectful and keep your distance. If you do encounter a bear, you definitely want to have your bear spray, but it's also just as important to know how to use it. I recommend using SABRE Frontiersman practice bear spray so that you'll be confident and comfortable in handling the situation. To use your spray, put your index finger through the hole of the handle. Next, use your thumb to remove the safety tab by pulling it straight backwards. Instead of pointing the canister straight ahead with your arms 90 degrees from your body, lower your arms about 6 to 10 inches to make about a 60-degree angle to spray slightly downwards. This helps prevent spraying over the head of the bear. Use your thumb to press down on the actuator to deploy the spray. Press the trigger for 3 seconds to create a barrier of spray between you and the bear. If the bear proceeds through the barrier, then continue spraying the bear's face until it retreats. To disarm your spray, replace the safety clip by firmly pushing with your thumb until an audible snap is heard. Then, check to see if the safety clip is securely in place. No gap should be visible between the actuator and the safety clip. Please note that this product may be used to deter bears that are attacking or appear likely to attack humans. This product may not be effective in all situations and prevent all injuries, but it's still the best way to keep yourself safe in bear country. I hope this helped you learn more about how to properly use bear spray and that I've inspired you to practice so that you'll act effectively in a real encounter with a bear.